If you're going compact but still want premium features, this is one of the strongest B850 boards. In terms of features, it supports up to 8400 plus megatransfers per second overclocked, has a reinforced PCIe 5.0x16 slot for full-sized GPUs, and offers dual PCIe Gen 5 M2 slots, an addition most Mini ITX boards lack. Connectivity also doesn't leave any areas, with Wi-Fi 7, Intel 2.5GB Ethernet, and a solid rear I/O selection with USB 20GB per second Type-C, one front USB-C header, and 5 USB 10GB per second ports. Under the hood, the Strix runs a 10+2+1 power stage design rated for up to 90 amps per stage, with efficient heatsinks that give it the stability to handle even high-end chips like the Ryzen 9 9950X or the gaming powerhouse 9800X3D. You also get a host of ASUS-specific features like AI overclocking, ASUS's ROG Hive module, Q-Release, BIOS flashback, clear CMOS, Flex Key, a pre-mounted I/O shield, and a design that blends seamlessly into stealthy builds. With so much to offer, it's safe to say the ASUS ROG Strix B850i is your ultimate choice if you want a future-proof build with all the next-gen features and AI-enhanced utilities. To sum up, what I like is the dual PCIe Gen 5 M2 slots, the addition of ASUS-specific features, and high-speed DDR5 support. On the downside, limited expansion slots due to the ITX form factor.